Okay, so today we are going to learn how to successfully animate our graphics or images in Canva. So, like always, just make sure that you have chosen a a good picture that will allow you to edit or move it around easily. So I have chosen this UAH Chargers pictures. So the first thing we are going to do is left click it, which will always bring up this highlighted border. And it'll also bring up this drop down menu with all of these effects. So today we are going to animate. So we're going to left click animate and it will pull up all of these options. Now, it will allow you to actually animate the page. So for example, it will allow you to do different stuff with it on the actual page, or it will allow you to do just the photo. So you can tumble, you can rise, you can stomp. It really just depends on what you're looking for, but that is how you add an animation to your picture.